the chain. Okay. Okay, it's here. This one, the big piece. And we get we're going to use a box chain. Yeah, use this one. This one, the box chain. Long box. Long box chain. Then another one. Maybe go to share with you a paper clip, a cable chain. Since we don't know the name of that tool, I started calling it's my 7 tool. Yes, this one here. Okay, we use these beads, so I'm going to use these beads to check if we have some other beads. Up tight we have another shape, so I'm use this shape. This one is also uptight, so we're going to use another shape, not always the same shape. This maybe match with this one here. This. Okay. The seam we use the size 0.8. Fold. And go through the loop. I'm just not strong enough with anything else. Yes. So this one, the yellow plier is really a big help. Continue use the small flower. Okay. Maybe put with a clover. Clover is as a charm to decoration, just only one. Yeah. Here. Attach. Tight. The wrapper. So it's like this way. And let's see how long. Here is 2.5. It's 7 centimeter. So balance we need 10. Okay. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. So hang the piece on another side. Okay. Clever charms is from the chain. Dear Yoni is sell from the chain. The chain gold color is $20. $20 you can get the charm 51 piece. 51 pieces. So it means that you can get one charm price about 0.4. Yeah, 0.4 is here. Okay. So the bracelet, then we go to attach with the clasp at the end. I went there, but I didn't want to comment it. Okay, here. Open. Maybe get a jumping size bigger for this chain. A bigger size jumping for this one. It's better, so much better compared the day before. Get a code. I get a code, and yesterday it's not good, but today feels so much better. Here, hang on with the large size extender. Yeah. Bracelet normally we cut 1 inch of the extender chain is enough. Okay, this is the large size chain. Chucky chain. Yes, thank you so much, everyone. There's a lot of flu near me, so I can't go out because of problems. Yeah, so stay at home. If every day stay at home, it will be feel so much boring. So take some time, do handmade, maybe help not so much boring, get some fun. Oh no, not a two-sided clasp. It should be the extender. You can make the bracelet in any color you like. Not must be the blue. Yeah. We can make the bracelet, the beads you can, if you love, you can make it to pearl, to red color, purple color, any color that you like. Jumping. Okay, here. This one I use a smaller clasp. Okay. I think Saturday is high here. Today is 0. The weather is 0. Yeah. Single large clasp. Yes, that's also work, no problem. Single large clasp does work, no problem. It will be nice as well. Put 2 or 3 chain together on a large clasp. It's also good design. We can do it similar. Can check my total. Yoni DAQRI, I need a total. 这另一个 Yoni. Okay. Okay. So then let's see. We will the bracelet one by one. Bracelet here. The chucky sides. Bracelet here. These 2. Then the 3. So much with the bracelet, some with the color, some no color. Okay, here. So it come the set here.